Good morning students. In today's video of business studies, I am going to discuss the continuing topic types of plan. I have discussed there are two types of plan, single use plan and standing use plan. Single use plan, as its name suggests, these are used only once. Afterwards they are over. And standing plans are made once but are used all the times. So here is the continuation of this topic, types of plan. Let's study this. It is written planning is pervasive. As we are studying chapter 4 planning, so we must know planning is pervasive. Pervasive means everywhere. Function. Planning is a pervasive function, which means it is not the task of top level managers only. Just remember this thing. For MCQ, it is very important point that planning is not done at top level, but it is done at middle and lower level also. So here it is written, it is not the task of top level managers only, but managers working at different levels like middle and lower also perform planning function. Okay, so the different types of plans or common plans framed by the managers at different levels are now discussed. The other categories in single use and standing plans. Here are 8 categories. These are objectives, strategies, policies, procedures, method, rules, programs and budgets. Let's study them one by one. Objective. As we know, objectives. What are objectives? Objectives are goals that we have to achieve. So if we talk about single use and standing use plan, just remember objectives are neither single use nor standing plan. Here is the one word, SMART. Objective should be SMART. Just learn the full form of SMART. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time bound. Means objectives should be specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, time bound. So objective should be SMART so that you can achieve. These are. Now the question arises, who set objectives? So always remember, objectives are set by top level management. Okay, this can be asked in MCQ. As we know, board examination has first term MCQ question paper. So just remember, objectives are set only by top management, not by middle and lower management. So here is the example of any objective. For example, increase in sale by 10% by 6 months. Okay, now strategy. So first of all, learn, is strategy single use or standing plan? Just remember, standing is also neither single use nor standing plan. Just remember, both objectives and strategy both are neither single use nor standing plan. Also learn the definition of strategy. Strategy is a comprehensive means detailed plan to achieve the organizational objectives. We can also say strategy is a long-term planning. This is the definition. Strategy is a long-term planning. As I have told, plan on the basis of time, planning is of 3 types: short-term, mid-term, long-term planning. So here strategy is long-term planning. Okay, the dimension or area of strategy are determining long-term objectives, adopting a particular course of action, allocating resources for achieving the objectives. Strategy formulation or making is the task of top level management. Just remember this also. Objectives and strategies are always made by top level management only, not by middle and lower level only, not by middle and lower level. Okay, remember, for MCQ, just remember, objectives and strategy are made by only top management. Who are the members of top management? Just recall this: CEO, Chief Executive Officer, Board of Directors, Chairman, etc. For example, strategy, example of strategies, choice of advertising medium. So here I have discussed 2 points out of 8. Now discuss 6 more points in types of plan. Here is another PDF for the same. It is here. Point third, policies. So first of all, policies are standing plan. Standing means these are made once and used every time. Let's study the definition. Policy can be defined as organization's general response to a particular problem or situation. Okay, policies are made for any solution of problem or situation. In some simple words, it is the organization's way of handling the problems. Okay, now learn policies are made at which level? Always policies are made at every level. Correct the sentence. Policies are made at, cut R here, R को काट दें. Policies are made at every level, like top, middle, lower level. Just remember this very important point. Okay, objective strategies are made at only top level. Policies are made at every level. Here is example of policy. No credit sale policy means सेलिंग विल बी ओनली ऑन मनी. पैसे पे सेल होगा, उधार पे नहीं. डेट्स नो क्रेडिट सेल पॉलिसी. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट 4, प्रोसीजर्स. लर्न प्रोसीजर्स आर ऑल्सो स्टैंडिंग प्लान मीन्स वंस मेड यूज्ड एवरी टाइम. सो हियर इज द डेफिनेशन. प्रोसीजर्स आर रिक्वायर्ड स्टेप्स. ओके, प्रोसीजर्स आर स्टेप्स in advance to handle future conditions. Procedures are sequence of steps to carry on different activities. Okay, also learn procedures are made for all departments. Procedures are also made at every department. For example, the procedure for admission in a particular school. So learn procedure means sequence of steps. Next, method. Methods can be defined as formalized or systematic way of doing a job. Okay, so what is method? Method means way, तरीका, काम को करने का way. So method can be defined as formal or systematic way of doing a job. For example, method of making sugar from sugar cane. Okay, so method is a way, procedure is the step, policies are solution of problem, response to a problem. Rules, just remember, rules are code of conduct means behavior. Rules are part of behavior. Rules tells what to do, what not to do. So rules are code of conduct or general instructions in any organization. Rules specify what to do, what not to do. For example, there can be rule of no smoking in organization. Okay, similarly in schools and colleges there are rules to wear uniform. So learn this. Policies, procedures, methods, rules, all are standing plans means these are made once and used every time. Like sugar cane से sugar बनाना, this method will be used every time we produce sugar from sugar cane. And the rule of no smoking and wearing uniform is always there in schools and colleges. So these are standing plan. Now point number 7 and 8, programs, budget. Just remember, programs and budget both are single use plan. Single means these are made once and used every time. Okay, don't get confused in single use and standard. Programs, budget are single use plans. Let's study the definition. Programs are the combination of objective, policy, procedure and rules. Okay, program means a kind of function and a kind of big function or an event or a big event which combines objective, strategy, procedure, rule, method, everything. All these plans together form or make program. Correct the sentence. Cut or here. All these plans together form or make program. The programs are also prepared at different levels. Just learn this also. Programs भी different levels means top level, middle level, lower level पे बनाए जाए. Okay, for example, construction of shopping mall or opening of new department. Let's the example of programs. These are single use plan. Now last but not least, budgets. Just remember, budget is also single use plan means एक बार आता है. If we talk about financial budget of our country, that is made once, but it can change when modifications are needed. So single use plans are made only once and can be changed, but they are used always. So budget is the statement of expected result expressed in numerical terms. Always learn, budget is always expressed in numerical terms means quantitative terms. Budgets are prepared at. Correct the sentence. Budgets are prepared at, not by. Cut by from here. Budgets are prepared at every level means top level, middle level, lower level. For example, sale budget or financial budget. So these are the types of plan. Here objectives and strategies are made only at top level, other things are done at all the levels, and budgets and programs are single use plan and rest are standing plan. So today chapter 4 is done. We have done with planning, and here types of planning continued, and we are done with chapter 4. This is very simple, very easy and very important topic, and for MCQ just study each and every statement properly so that you can mark correct MCQ in your board examination. Thank you for listening. In next video I will start chapter 5, organizing. Okay, so planning is finished today. Thank you for listening. Thanks to all.